How to fix Telegram message not sending. So if you want to fix your Telegram message not sending problem, then the first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. So you just need to simply go with your Wi-Fi or your mobile data and make sure that's working properly. And once you check your internet connection, if it doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply open up your settings. And under settings, you need to go with apps section, tap on apps and tap on Telegram. Open up your Telegram on your settings and scroll down, tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and you need to simply delete the cache that you have on your mobile data and Wi-Fi also. Now you need to go back and check if your problem still persists. If it does, then you need to open up your Play Store, go with search, and under search you need to search for Telegram. Once you've searched, if you have any updates under your Telegram, you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you update it, then your problem might be fixed. So these were the few fixes on how you can fix your Telegram not sending messages. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.